This anti-aging oil will brighten your skin, will plump your skin, will hydrate your skin, and make you have that youthful glow. And this is an oil you want to make for yourself, because once you start using this oil, you're going to see a remarkable change on your skin. And the amazing thing is that this oil is easy to come up with. Continue watching as I walk you through. The first ingredient you're going to get is your carrot. Carrot is packed with amazing benefit that helps the skin. It brightens the skin. It has anti-aging properties. Okay, so what you're going to do is to peel the carrot. Okay, then you're going to scrape the back of the carrot. You're going to gently do this. Just take your time, scrape the back of the carrot, because we want a bright oil. Guys, this oil is super. Like, it's an oil you want to make for yourself and start using. Okay, so once you are done scraping the back of the carrot, you're going to wash the carrot. Okay, so after washing the carrot, you are going to grate the carrot. So use the smaller part of the grater to grate the carrot. Like, you have to grate the carrot. You don't chop the carrot here. You need to grate the carrot so we get the juice, we get everything that will make our skin pop. Okay, so this is how the carrot is looking like. So after grating the carrot, this is what we have. Then the next thing you're going to do is to transfer into a heat-proof container like this. Okay, so gently transfer the grated carrot like so. So here we have rose petal. It has amazing skincare benefits. So add it to the grated carrot. Okay, then you're going to add any carrier oil of choice. You can add jojoba, you can add sunflower, you can add mix of oils. Then you stir and mix very well, like gently mix this. And after mixing, you're going to make sure that you cover it with a tight lid. Okay, then after covering with a tight lid, you're going to double boil this on a low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so we want it to infuse into the oil, right? So after 25 minutes, you're going to remove from heat, and you're going to leave this to cool completely. Make sure you leave to cool completely. Then you open it and give it a good mix like so. So make sure you don't skip this particular part. Make sure it's completely cool. Then you mix. Then the next thing you're going to do is to get a strainer. Then you're going to strain, okay, to get the oil proper. So as you guys can see, guys, this is easy to make, right? So once that is done, we have the oil. Then you add your preservative, okay, because of the carrot, right? So after that, you're going to transfer into a clean container. Guys, this anti-aging oil is what you want to start using. Like, make sure you make this oil, then you apply this oil on your skin, and your skin is definitely going to thank you. You're going to have this soft, supple, smooth, glowy, and youthful skin. So if you want that hydrated, beautiful, you know, youthful skin, this is an oil you want to use, is an oil you want to try out, and your skin is definitely going to thank you. So make sure you apply on a damp skin, okay, for best result. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.